Matrix multiplication. If A is a matrix of order m by p and B is a matrix of order p by n, then the product AB is defined and its order is m by n. That is, we'll take a matrix AB. A is of order m by p and B is of order p by n. In this, the number of column in the first matrix and the number of column in the second number of row in the second matrix should be equal. Then only matrix multiplication is possible. If you multiply, we'll get a matrix of order m by n. Consider the matrix A and B. We'll multiply this. The matrix is of order 2 by 3 and B is a matrix of order 3 by 2. We'll multiply the matrix. We'll take the first row, multiply with the first column. That is A11 B11 plus A12 B21 plus A13 B31. Now we'll take the first row and multiply with the second column. In the same manner, we'll take the second row and multiply with the first column. Then we'll multiply with the second column. Therefore, this is matrix multiplication. A plus B transpose equal to A transpose plus B transpose. A minus B transpose equal to A transpose minus B transpose. AB whole transpose equal to B transpose A transpose. A into BC equal to AB into C. We can multiply in any order. A transpose whole transpose equal to A. A into B plus C equal to AB plus AC. A into identity matrix I equal to identity into A equal to A. If AB equal to BA, then either A or B is an identity matrix of same order. Exercise 1.2, 1 mark problems. If A is a matrix and B is a matrix, find AB. Solution: AB equal to, write the matrix A and B, take the first row and multiply with the column, that is 3 into minus 1 plus 1 into 3. Now we'll take the second row, we'll multiply 2 into minus 1 plus 4 into 3. By multiplication, and then if you group this, add this, we get 0 and 10. Second problem, if A is a matrix, find A square. Solution: given A square equal to A into A. Substitute the matrix A and A. We know the matrix multiplication. We'll take the first row and multiply with the first column. Then first row with second column. Similarly, second row with first column, then second column. Then if we add this, we get a matrix 1 minus 4, 0, 9. Third problem, if A is a matrix, find A square. Same like previous problem. Solution: given matrix A square can be written as A into A. Substitute the matrix A into A. We know the matrix multiplication. First row with first column, then second column. Similarly for the second row. If you multiply first row with first column, second column, now second row with first column, with second column, then by simplifying, we got the matrix as 7, 1, minus 2, 14. Fourth problem, if A and B are the matrix, find AB. In this, matrix A is 3 by 3. Matrix B is 3 by 1. So matrix multiplication is possible. When matrix multiplication is possible means the number of column in the first matrix and the number of row in the second matrix should be equal. Solution. Matrix A and B is there. We multiplied. We got the values. How to multiply? We'll take the first row and multiply with the column. Next, we'll take the second row. Then third row. By multiplication, we got this. Then by simplification, we got AB as 11, 7, minus 18. Fifth problem. If xy equal to the matrix is given, we want to find xy. In right side, multiplication is there. We'll multiply, then we will equate to find the value of x and y. Solution. Given matrix, multiply the right side. We know the matrix multiplication. We'll take the first row, multiply with the column. 2 into 1 plus 3 into 0 is 0. Similarly, 1 into 1 plus 0 into 0. We got the value as 2 and 1. Therefore, by equating x equal to 2 and y equal to 1. Sixth problem, if matrix is given, find x, y, z. Same like previous problem. Right side we have to multiply and then we have to compare, equate, find the values. Solution. Given, we'll multiply the right side. First row with column. 1 into 1 plus 0 into 1 minus 1 into 1. Second row, 2 into 1 plus 0 into 1 minus 1 into 1. Third row, 0 into 1 plus 1 into 1 minus 2 into 1. Therefore, we got x, y as 0, 1, minus 1. Seventh problem. Matrix multiplication is given in left side equal to 1 matrix. So multiplication is in left side. We'll multiply the left side. Given matrix. By multiplying the matrix in left side, we get 4x, 4y, 4z, x, y, z, 3x, 3y, 3z is equal to the matrix given in right side. Now we'll compare this. 4x equal to 4. By simplifying, we'll get x as 1. Similarly, 4y equal to 8, y equal to 2. 4z equal to 4, z equal to 1. Now by comparing the first row, we got the values. We can still compare with the second row and we can get the value directly. Or we can compare with the third row and we can get the same answer. Any one, according to our convenience, we can compare and we can find the value. Eighth problem, if matrix A and B is given, we want to find AB. This type of problem, you should consider the order first, then multiply. Matrix A is given of order 3 by 1 and matrix B is of order 1 by 3. So if you multiply this, we'll get a matrix of order 3 by 3. We'll see that solution given matrix AB. Now we'll multiply. We'll take 1 with multiplied with 1. We get the value as 1. 1 into 3, 3. 1 into 4, 4. Similarly, we'll do for other term, that is 4 into 1, 4. 4 into 3, 12. 4 into 4, 16. 2 into 1, 2. 2 into 3, 6. 2 into 4, 8. So by multiplying, we get the values of order 3 by 3. Ninth problem. If A and B is given, we want to find AB. Solution. Given matrix AB, we'll multiply this. Before multiplying this type of problem, consider the order. What is the order for the first matrix A? 1 by 3. For matrix B, 3 by 1. So if you multiply, we'll get a order of 1 by 1. That is, multiply 1 into 4, 4. 3 into 2, 6. 2 into 1, 2. Equal to 12. When one row or one column is given, first consider the order, then multiplication will be simple. 10th problem. Find X, the matrix is given. So we'll multiply. Already I said, when one row or one column is given, check the order first. 2x2 is given. What is the order for this? 1 by 3. For second matrix, it is 3 by 1. So matrix will be of order 1 by 1. Solution, given matrix. Now multiply the term. 2 into 1 plus x into 4, 4x plus 2 into 2, 4. By adding this, we get 4x equal to 3 minus 6, x equal to minus 3 by 4. So by simplification, we got the value of x as minus 3 by 4. Further problem we'll see in the next video.